So we're given question 24 and it says a straight line is perpendicular to the straight line through 2, 8 and 6, 15 and passes through 0, 9 and x, 17. Work out the value of x, and it's a 4-mark question. Now to try and work out where we go from here, let's look at what we know or what we're given. So we're told that the two straight lines are perpendicular. We have 2 points for each straight line. Now one thing that comes to mind here is that m1 times m2 is equal to -1. So if you take the gradients of two perpendicular lines, their gradient is going to multiply together to make -1. And these are kind of just facts that you're probably going to have to remember if you want to try and get these marks in the exams. Just look at everything you're given and think, okay, what's an unknown and what facts do I know? So if we put in the points for the first straight line, we can work out the gradient. And then if we put in the points for the second straight line, we can work out the gradients. When we get the gradients, we just multiply them together, put them equal to -1. And then from there, we can work out the value of x. If I missed anything or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you there. So let's take the original line, the first one we're given, and the gradient is going to be m1, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, with x1 y1 equaling 2 8 and x2 y2 equaling 6 15. So those are just the coordinates we're given. Now simplifying this down, m1 is going to be 15 minus 8 over 6 minus 2, which is going to be equal to 7 over 4. Now from here, let's work out the gradient of the second line. So the gradient is going to be m2, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, with x1 y1 being 0 9 and x2 y2 being x 17. So simplifying it down, m2 is going to be 17 minus 9 over x minus 0, and that's going to be equal to 8 over x. And we know that m1 times m2 is going to be equal to -1, because if you multiply the gradients of two perpendicular lines, they're going to equal -1. So subbing them in, 7 over 4 times 8 over x is equal to -1. Multiplying that out, 56 over 4x is equal to -1. Simplifying that down, we're going to have 14 over x is equal to -1. That gives us 14 over -1 is equal to x, because you can swap those two, and then 14 over -1 is just going to be -14. So x is going to be given to us as -14. Now if you do have any other questions or you feel like I missed anything, please just let me know down below. I hope that helped. Best luck with your maths, and thanks for watching the video.